have five ingredient WW slow cooker recipes waiting for you to add to your menu this week. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corinna. The slow cooker recipes that I'm making today, I found all of them in this cookbook, which I will have linked below. Each recipe has the nutrition in this cookbook, which makes it so easy to figure out our points. The first one, we are starting off with Mexican corn chowder. The 5 main ingredients for this recipe is I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can use bone-in or boneless thighs. I have some picante sauce. This is new to me. It's a white sweet corn. I needed 2 bags of it, a lime, and some potatoes. I sprayed the insert of my crock pot. I'm adding both those bags of the corn, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. A half a cup of picante sauce. I have about that left in this jar, so I'm just going to use the rest of the jar. 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm adding in the potatoes. In the recipe, she says to leave them whole, but I went ahead and just cut mine up because after they cook, then she says to cut them up, but I just saved myself a step. Now I'm nestling the chicken into the broth and the seasonings. I'm gonna let this cook on low for about 6 to 8 hours. Through the Weight Watcher app, I just added in the ingredients, and for 1 serving, it is 5 points. If you're following Healthi, I added in the ingredients for this as well, and it is 6 points for 1 helping. It has 22 grams of protein. So I took my little meat masher and I just kind of chunked up the chicken. It falls apart. If you want, you can take the chicken out and you can shred it and put it back into the soup, but I figured a chunky type of chili is better, or chowder. It's not really like chowder. Also, the recipe says you can mash up a few of the potatoes to thicken up the soup a little bit. So this is dinner. It looks very good. Now the recipe says you can add bacon, so probably like even bacon pieces, bacon bits would be good in this. You can add cilantro and of course more salt and pepper if it needs it. We don't think it needs it. We think it's perfect. This one wasn't very chowdery. It didn't have that thicker consistency. You definitely can add flour to it and make it a little bit of a thicker consistency, but we thought it was perfectly fine without it. It was so delicious. This is a keeper. The only thing we would do differently is add a little more broth to it. For 1 helping, it is 250 calories and 22 grams of protein. This recipe is slow cooker chicken tacos. Taco Tuesday could become slow cooker Taco Tuesday. This actually only has 3 main ingredients in it, not 5, but we have the carb balance tortillas. I have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts and a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. For seasonings, you need ground cumin, garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. I sprayed my slow cooker and I'm gonna put a little bit of those tomatoes in the bottom of it. I added the chicken and now I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna add the rest of the tomatoes to the crock pot, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna give this a quick mix and then I'm gonna set my crock pot on low for the day, about 6 to 8 hours. This recipe basically has only a couple things to count. For Weight Watchers, there's only really 1 thing to count other than toppings. So chicken is 0 points in Weight Watchers. I have the Mission Carb Balance flour tortillas. There's 8 of them in the pack. They're 45 calories a piece. For 1 of the tortillas, it is 1 point. Let's see how much for 2. Bumps it up to 3 points for 2. So other than toppings, it's only 3 points for dinner through Weight Watchers. Through the Healthi app, I have chicken breast cooked without skin and no bone, 3 points for 3 ounces. I'm gonna go up to 4 ounces, which brings it up to 4 points. For the tortilla, 1 tortilla is 1 point, bumped it up to 3 points for 2 tortillas, which is fine because this is a low point dinner. So through Healthi, without the toppings, dinner is 7 points. I have a couple of hours left on the chicken, but it's done as of right now, and it is so tender. I barely am touching it with the fork, and it's just falling apart. The Instant Pot that I'm using, I have it linked below in case you're in the market to get one. This one's really good. Now I am putting the chicken back into the juices and the seasonings, and I'm going to let it finish cooking and picking up all those delicious flavors. For toppings, I have shredded lettuce, sour cream, guacamole, chopped up some tomato, shredded some cheese, and chopped up some onion. This is mine. I have lettuce and tomato, a little bit of cheese. I love trying different ways to eat tacos. It just mixes up the menu a little bit and we're not eating the same things all the time. This one was very good. It was 308 calories and 32 grams of protein. My family loves gyros, and I come across this recipe of chicken gyros and I was like, we need to give this one a try. Man, are we glad we did. The 5 main ingredients for this is boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs for this as well. I have tzatziki sauce. You can make this homemade. I picked mine up at Walmart. An onion, lemon, and pita bread. I have the Joseph's flax, oat bran, and whole wheat pita bread. I sprayed the insert of my crock pot and I have added the chicken and a half of a large onion. In a bowl, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, which ended up being the juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to give this a mix and we're going to head over to the crock pot. I'm pouring this delicious sauce all over the chicken and the onions. I am stirring the chicken and onions in the sauce because I want everything coated evenly. I'm going to set my crock pot on low and let it cook for the day for 6 to 8 hours. I just added the nutrition facts in my Weight Watcher app and my Healthi app. And for 1 serving, it is 9 points. Same with the Healthi app. 9 points for 1 serving, tells you the macros. Protein is 32 grams of protein. I shredded up the chicken right in my crock pot. I used this little handy dandy tool and it just fell apart. And now I'm gonna let it cook in the sauce for a little bit. For toppings, I have an English cucumber, tomato, red pepper. That was a huge red pepper. It's a whole plate full, yum. A little bit of lettuce, some red onion, and then the tzatziki sauce. Through Weight Watchers, 2 tablespoons of the tzatziki sauce is 3 points. And then through Healthi, for 2 tablespoons, it's 1 point. And we're warming up the pita bread on our griddle. All right, so I cut mine in half and I made a little pocket out of it. And I have 2 ounces in each pocket of chicken, which is 4 ounces of chicken. And now I'm just gonna layer on all the toppings. And this is what mine looks like. I haven't stuffed the lettuce in there yet, but I'm going to. I stuffed everything else in there though. It looks so absolutely delicious. This one was hands down, I think, our absolute favorite recipe out of all 5 recipes, although every single one of them were delicious. I had never bought tzatziki sauce before, and I tried the one from Walmart, and I'm glad I did. It was really good. Everybody loved it, so I would definitely buy that again. Or you can just make your own homemade. This recipe had 32 grams of protein and 338 calories. Let's make a whole chicken. There's only 4 basic ingredients for this meal. You need chicken broth, onion, minced garlic, and a whole chicken. Starting off, I sprayed the insert of my crock pot. I cut the onion into thick wedges and I put those in the bottom of my crock pot. The recipe calls for 6 cloves of garlic smashed. I just have the minced garlic, so I added that. Now I'm adding 1 cup of chicken broth. To a small bowl, I am adding 1 teaspoon of sage. I'm using rubbed sage. 1 teaspoon of crushed rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. After I wash my chicken, I'm going to put this seasoning all over the chicken. Now, if you want to, you can also use 3 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. I am not going to use that. I have patted the chicken dry, and I'm going to take that seasoning, I'm going to rub it all over this chicken. I placed the chicken breast side down in my slow cooker on top of those onions, and I'm going to set this on low for 6 to 8 hours. Through WW, chicken is 0 points, but through Healthi, chicken is 1 point per ounce. I am going to figure in 4 ounces of chicken for dinner tonight. This is the chicken. It's done. We checked it with a meat thermometer. At this point, if you want to, you can put it under the broiler and crisp up the skin. I don't think we're going to do that though. This recipe is so versatile. You can use leftovers for sandwiches. You can use it for salads, but on its own, it was fantastic. Great meal. We did not put ours underneath the broiler to crisp up. We just took it out of the crock pot and it fell apart. And this one had a lot of protein. 57 grams. We love buffalo chicken, and I come across this buffalo chicken chili, and I knew we had to give this one a try. The main 5 ingredients for this recipe is chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast, 2 cans of cannellini or northern beans, fire roasted diced tomatoes, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and some buffalo sauce. I've sprayed the insert of my slow cooker, and I am adding the can of those fire roasted tomatoes, 2 cups of chicken broth, a 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce. You can use a 1/2 cup if you really like the taste of buffalo sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I rinsed and drained the cannellini beans, and I'm adding those. I'm gonna give this a stir before I add the chicken. I nestled the chicken breast into the broth. Now I'm going to cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours. I broke up the chicken. You can also shred it if you want to, but we like ours in pieces. I put the cream cheese in chunks, and I'm just dropping it all over in the soup, and I'm going to nestle these in and let it melt into the soup and finish cooking. Through Weight Watchers, the buffalo chicken chili is 11 points, and through Healthi, it is 8 points. For one serving, it is 322 calories and 27 grams of protein. If you want, you can add blue cheese crumbles to the top of this chili. Which one of these recipes are you going to try first? I will have the book and the recipes linked below. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Wait, keep going. Here are 2 more Weight Watcher videos you can watch next. Thank you for all of your amazing support.